So, ladies and gentlemen, our last race, the Independent Stone and Restorative Cleaning Handicap. It's over the extended mile here. Starting stalls, you can see them in the home straight. Two non-runners, numbers 6 and 8. So 9 to go to post. Okay, coming out here for the main group, Equion, Molly Gunn for Tony Carroll, blue and red hoops. We followed out by In It Together in the mauve and light blue check. That's Aidan Keeley on board the stable companion. Both trained by the great Tony Carroll. Where's a noseband as well, In It Together. These colours look familiar. They just won the last race. This time carried by Bernalda. And the interesting thing is that this Bernalda is actually the older sister of Karakula, who just won the last race. So can she make it a double for the family? There's Mercurius Power, Lewis Edmonds for Jessica Macy, Tony Hessian's colours, black with the orange spots. And the maroon with the white cross of the rain, that's the Caribbean for Llewellyn Ron-Eccles and Wetumpka Racing. Mason Patel takes 5 off with, that's the mount of him riding for Heather Main, the Caribbean. Mercurius Powers on the track, we saw that one. Here in the pale blue colours is Dream Pirate, Pat Cosgrave for Terry Kent, for Messrs Bromley, Spampanato and partners. In good form actually until not so good last time, Dream Pirate. Volto di Medusa, who won at Southwell last time out. George Bass for Jack Jones. Light blue, darker blue chevrons, blue sleeves, light armlets there. The Twilight Zone Syndicate. Sense of Worth is the one that went down early. I think he's a big horse, green with the yellow crossbelts, the Yamon partnership. Alex Jowry riding for Seb Spencer. Alex, a £5 claimer. So 9 runners then for the Independent Stone and Restorative Cleaning Handicap. Our thanks to Ian and the team for their generous sponsorship of the card this evening. Let's run through the betting just briefly before they get ready to go into the gates. 11-4, Volto di Medusa. Base player, 130, blue and darker blue stripes. Kevin Frost's own colours there. Jack Nicholls in the saddle. Dream Pirate is at 5-1. Bernalda 6-1, 9-1 the Caribbean. In It Together, 9s. 12s, Mercurius Power. Sense of Worth at 14s. 18-1, Equion. Now they're starting to load them. It looks as though Equion will be first in. Putting the blindfold on him. Dream Pirates in as well. Here's Volta de Medusa. George Bass slotting in. Bernalda. Sense of Worth going forward. He's a big horse, Sense of Worth. Good as gold, though. Went straight in. At the back, we've got Mercurius Power in it together and Base Player. Last two going forward. In it together will be the last. Here we go. They're lined up then, ready to go. And they're racing. The big horse Sense of Worth came out pretty well for this independent stone and restorative cleaning handicap. 9 runners then over the 1.5 miles of furlong. Base Player with Sense of Worth on his outside. And on the rail there, that's Equion in the red and blue hoop jacket. Bernalda is in the cinnamon colours in it together, a bit keen, a bit fresh on the outside. The Caribbean is on the rail. At this stage, Volta de Medusa is just being urged along in the rear quarter of the field, just ahead of Dream Pirate, and looking on as Mercurius Power in the black and orange spots. Past the 5 furlong start down the far side of the racecourse, and the pace being set here is just a reasonable one. He's a bit keen in front, Sense of Worth, but that is how he races. He's a bit of a giant. Leads by just over a length then to in second Bernalda, whose younger sister Caracula won the previous race. The younger half-sister. On the inside is Base Player. Racing together there with In It Together and the sheepskin noseband. Right behind them is Equion, the red colour, red cap. Then still chivied along is Volta de Medusa. George Bass can't get her to get hold of the bridle. The Caribbean is next, Mercurius Power and Dream Pirate disputing last. Down the side of the course they go, inside the final 3 furlongs of the contest. Sense of Worth being joined now by Bernaldo, moves up on the outside in the hands of Johnny Pete and strikes the front, turning into the home straight. This will be a heck of a win for her family. Coming down then, it's Bernaldo, the leader from Sense of Worth, and then staying on the outside is Volta de Medusa, who's finally rocking and rolling, but has got ground to make up on Bernaldo. Bernaldo's in front, and it's going to be a double for Salah Fustock, James Ferguson and Johnny Pete. 2 half-sisters win the last 2 races. Volta de Medusa was second. Dream Pirate ran well for third. Tight for fourth. Base Player and Sense of Worth.